What is the normal amount of fiber that a man should eat per day?
30 grams. See, I know all the basic answer that a common person should know. I don't know all of these technical answers because all of you doctors keep changing the number of bacteria every year as you prefer.
The answer is 38. What is gut? When I say gut, which part of the intestine?
The lining of the stomach.
Super.
13 years are the gut na, then people will mock at me.
Absolutely wrong answer.
Achucho. So, I'm going to grind all of this. Until then, you can do your talking.
Talking? Randy, he's saying as if you blabber whatever you want.
Now, it has only protein and little
fiber.
bit of carbs. Enga fiber irukku. Fiber பேசுறீங்க எதுல fiber இருக்குனே தெரியல உங்களுக்கு.
Soya chunks.
Soya chunks la konjam fiber இருக்கா?
இல்ல நல்லா இருக்கு.
அப்படியா? Now I'm going to
அப்படியா? Hello guys, welcome to a new episode. I'm very excited for this series. It's called Culinary Medicine series. There is a department called Culinary Medicine which is being very popular in the United States. I am going to teach you in terms of what to eat and also how to cook. This is our first episode. We are going to introduce high protein a day. And this is how you cook. Here are the... Hi. Hello. Hi. Meet my happiness.
You know only about gut. My name is Priya.
Yeah. Meet Priya. Why are you here?
Because you know only to talk. I'll have to do the cooking.
The cooking part.
Yes.
I thought I'll be happy. Oh, that's okay.
The medicine is yours. The cooking is my department.
Okay. Please take over. That's
okay.
it. Can't talk anything
because
anymore.
This is my recipe.
Of course. Yeah. Of course. So she's going to explain to us in terms of how to cook this beautiful high protein jinna, where you get 30 grams of protein and 10 grams of fiber.
So basically everybody knows for our dye we usually use the Bengal gram. It is soaked overnight at least for 8 to 10 hours. Preferably they say that if you soak dals more than 24 hours it will reduce bloating. I don't know the authenticity to that information.
Yeah, authenticity first we'll learn first.
Okay. See, that was a tongue twister. Anyway, so you soak it for 8 to 10 hours. And then I have soya chunks.
Super.
And this has to be immersed in water for maybe say about 1 to 2 hours and it's all good for us to go.
Yeah, both soaking the dal and soaking the soy chunks decrease your digestibility discomfort. If you soak and you eat, the digestion gets a little bit better.
So the bloating is much better, right?
Yeah, bloating is better, but at the same time, there is a little bit of a loss of a nutrient, but it is not that much.
So you need
to add 150 grams of dal. All this is fiber, guys. Many people are talking about probiotic, but the more important thing is prebiotic. This is exactly prebiotic. It is feeding all the good gut bacteria. I'm going to ask my beautiful wife a wonderful question. How much amount of gut bacteria is there in the large intestine? Answer full.
What was the question? Sorry, I forgot.
This is what happened.
See,
He's the last bencher.
No. See, I'm very meticulous in what I do. So I concentrate and do. I don't even want one of this tur dal to be wasted. So I'm paying attention to it. So I didn't listen to the question because I know you'll do the talking, but I'll have to do the work, right?
I don't think I'm doing the talking here. That's the problem. Okay, first let's start from basics. What is gut? When I say gut, which part of the intestine we are talking about?
Stomach, the lining of the stomach. 13 years are the gut na enna kuda theriyala, then people will mock at me.
Absolutely wrong answer.
Achucho.
We are talking about large intestine. Okay.
What part of large intestine kete enna vandu confuse pandringa and I got confused.
Oh, what part of large intestine? Stomach is a part of large intestine.
No. I'm not that bad. It's part of digestive system. See, I was good at science when I was.
So gut means what we are talking about is large intestine, guys. It is not the stomach because stomach has what? Stomach secretes. இல்ல பரவாயில்ல சொல்லு சிரிக்காத விட மாட்டேன் ஆன்சர் சொல்ற வரைக்கும் விட மாட்டேன். It starts with A and ends with D.
I don't want to take
acid.
Okay. I thought you were going to say some amniotic fluid or something like that.
Amniotic fluid.
Anyway.
Acid. So acid la வந்து gut bacteria will not survive. So that is why gut bacteria is in the large intestine.
Okay, before you proceed next, I need to tell them about what are the ingredients.
Yeah, please.
So you can add 3 red chilies if you are less on spice level. But if you like to eat it spicy, like I do, you can add 4 to 5. So it's based on your preference.
Okay.
So I'm adding 4.
Super.
Because you like it less spicy, I like it more spicy. So I'm coming to an intermediate.
Okay, this is the marriage secret.
Okay, after that, I'm gonna add half a tablespoon of fennel seeds.
Fennel seeds. Fennel seeds is a wonderful source of fiber.
So I'm gonna grind all of this. Until then, you can do your talking.
You're talking. Andy, he's saying as if you blather whatever you want. But anyway, so guys, the more important thing is you need to feed all these gut bacteria in the large intestine. How many number of gut bacteria is there? I'll give you option. Okay? 30 trillion, 40 trillion, 50 trillion.
30 trillion.
Good job. Answer is 40 trillion. In the 40 trillion bacteria, what is the food that you have to give?
Fiber.
See? She proved that she's the wife of Gutman. First right answer. Super. Fiber. Only when you give fiber, all these gut bacteria will be very happy. Okay? And this gut bacteria will make sure that you're not feeling hungry, you'll feel full. Every non-communicable diseases, diabetes, hypertension, fatty liver, cholesterol, everything will be taken care. With this recipe, we are going to give you 10 grams of fiber, right?
Okay.
What is the normal amount of fiber that a man should need per day?
30 grams. See, I know all the basic answer that a common person should know. I don't know all of these technical answers because all of you doctors keep changing the number of bacteria every year as you prefer.
But the answer is 38. Okay.
So it has to be in a coarse consistency. It should not be like a dosa batter. It has to be somewhere between a liquid consistency of a vada batter.
Okay, super.
Okay.
All I see is soya chunks and Bengal gram.
Kadalaparuppu and
Kadalaparuppu.
soya chunks. Now it has only protein and little
fiber.
bit of carbs. எங்க fiber இருக்கு பாருங்க. Fiber பேசுறீங்க. எதுல fiber இருக்குன்னே தெரியல உங்களுக்கு.
Soya chunks டி.
Soya chunkல கொஞ்சம் fiber இருக்கா?
இல்ல நல்லா இருக்கு.
அப்படியா? Now I'm going to
அப்படியா?
because of that I'm adding all these vegetables.
Bengal gram is also a rich source of fiber, ma.
Okay.
But what you are doing right now?
So I'm trying to get the rainbow vegetable concept. So I'm gonna add all of the colorful vegetables instead of white.
உனக்கு எப்படி தெரியும்? How do you know all this?
I'm also a wellness coach now.
Rainbow. The reason is rainbow. You remember we talked about the bacteria? It is not only about feeding one bacteria. You need to feed a lot. And every bacteria likes different colors.
I'm adding like carrots, and then some onion. So all of this vegetable quantity is based on your liking. It doesn't have to be exactly precise. It could be based on your taste.
Not based on your liking, based on your time to cut.
You have no relation to that.
That is true. Okay. That's true. When I have time, I will cut. Or when she cuts me later, I will cut.
I'm gonna add some
colorful effect, garnishing.
Yeah.
Wow, beautiful.
Coriander. And then this gives that South Indian flavor.
Yeah. One beautiful thing about Indian cooking is look at that.
Curry leaves,
coriander. All this is good for your gut.
And then the last thing is adequate.
Little bit of a salt.
Maybe for this, maybe about a spoon. You can make easily 5 to 6 days with that.
Super.
And it'll feed a family of 4 because it's protein enriched, right? So it'll make you full faster. This is 2-in-1 recipe. If you want, you can make vada out of this because it's in that consistency. It'll be like the paruppu vada, masala vada.
But for vada, you have to add oil, a lot more oil.
Adhanala with you, I can't do that. I'm telling them for an occasion if they want to make healthier version of vadai, they can do that, or they could actually bake it. Air fry it, or shallow fry it. It will not taste good, but they can still.
It will not taste good, but it will be good. This is what exactly I do for 14 years of marriage. Repeating exactly the same thing what you said.
So now I'm going to add some water because it has to be to like a adder batter consistency.
So Alauddin is coming back.
Yes.
Genie is coming back. Okay, beautiful.
So now I've added little bit of water and I've made it to a harder batter consistency. Okay? Now the last step.
Okay, one last question. 100 grams of soybean, 100 grams of soy chunks. Which one has more protein?
Soy chunks.
Good job. Nice. Correct. Yeah.
இனிமேட்டு வரும்போது வைவா மாதிரி I have to prepare. I have to bring one அந்த காப்பி அடிக்கிறதுக்கு iPad எல்லாம் எடுத்துட்டு வரணும் நான். I'm done with
done with me, huh?
No, not yet. Not yet. So I'm done with making my batter.
Okay, super. Making a batter. Super.
So now I have to heat the pan. And you know what?
You want to heat the pan?
Heat the pan.
Heat the pan. Okay.
H is silent.
Silent. Okay.
Okay.
Heat the pan. Okay. Ready.
Heat the pan.
And then put dosa. I will put dosa.
Okay, you can try normal dosa. ஒழுங்கா வராது இதுல அட dosa.
மேரா கேட்டாங்க.
So you have to put a little bit of oil, but you can use olive oil for that.
Okay.
So olive oil is not good for deep frying, but it's good for all of this sauteing and then for dosa and all of that. It's good. And in virgin olive oil is good for salads too. So try to include olive oil.
Right.
And we don't show the brand because we are not advertising.
Yes, we are not doing, but this is an extra virgin olive oil, right? The biggest mistake that people do is doing extra virgin olive oil for heating dosa, for putting vada, because extra virgin is that extra flavor.
You cannot make vada with olive oil.
Yeah, or any kind of cooking, like
only
chicken curry, paneer curry.
Fry,
Yeah.
Grapeseed oil or kind of
avocado oil with a high
avocado oil.
High smoking point, right? But the point here is that extra virgin, people from the US who buy this extra virgin olive oil in the Costco, if you're not using it for salad, please don't waste your money on that.
Okay.
Yeah, because that flavor is only for salad. And we know our Indian people, we don't eat that much amount of salad, correct?
No, I eat.
Normal Indian people, we don't eat that much amount of salad, okay? But you need to eat more, okay.
We are not normal people?
I am normal. You are not, you are very, very normal. You are very normal. All right, the batter is ready. Can I put the dosa?
நீங்க நார்மல் தோசையை நல்லா போட மாட்டீங்க. அடை தோசை கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டம். அதுவும் அயன் கிரிடில் வேற ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். So I will do it, okay? You can continue talking and engage your audience.
This is like Karigalan magic show நடத்துறீங்க.
So the ritual is before making any dosa, just to check if the pan is hot, you need to do this. It's like Oma Puja.
Okay. It depends upon how much amount of gas that comes out.
No, that's not gas. That's fume.
Fume.
பாத்தீங்களா? I know about food, you know about gut.
அவ்வளோ சந்தோஷம்.
So this is the consistency.
Okay.
Little bit on the liquid level.
Okay. Oil
அப்புறம் போடுவேன். நீங்க actually அடை தோசைக்கு everybody does so much of oil, like 2 to 3 spoons. உங்களை வச்சுட்டு அதை பண்ண முடியாது. அதுதான் டேஸ்ட் கொடுக்கும். So what I have to do is I have to reduce the oil to 3/4 or half a spoon.
You're going to pour on it after.
ஆமா. அதனால first I'm going to make the adai. இதுதான்.
Wow, look at that.
Full moon.
Full moon.
நீங்க போட்டுருந்தீங்கன்னா எப்படி இருந்திருக்கும்?
Half moon.
Half
or,
moon.
Or like amoeba.
Amoeba, correct. So
super.
This is,
wow.
And then?
So whenever I see food, I just see how food is being seen from my gut bacteria angle. And now I know that my gut bacteria is so happy.
So this is like half a spoon of oil.
Half a spoon of oil, how many calories?
I don't know.
120 divided by 2 is how much?
60. Actually, this is less amount of oil for ada, but that's how we are going to do. So my ada is getting ready.
Super. Wonderful. So we talked about soaked soy chunks. Soaked soy chunks will have less amount of protein compared to raw soy chunks. Why?
Because the quantity is reduced. If you soak them, the quantity is reduced by half.
Yeah, if you soak them, the water enters inside and becomes bigger.
Okay.
So the protein content also goes down. So it's around like 18 grams. 100 grams of soaked soy chunks or 18 grams of protein. But raw soy chunks is 50 grams. That is how beautiful the protein content is. Fiber, you know why it has fiber?
1 minute before that, I'll put the lid so my dosa will be ready.
Great insult.
Repeat
it. Nothing. No, bro. Dosa.
எப்படியோ அது தப்புன்னு தான் சொல்ல போறீங்க. It will be like 39 இருக்கும். நான் 38 ன்னு சொல்வேன். Wrong. அப்படி சொல்வீங்க. நான் வரல.
அவ்வளவு கேவலமா சொல்ல மாட்டேன். Wrong.
It's not like it's going to take some.
Where is the fiber coming from? Soy chunks la we have fiber, right? Okay. Where is the fiber coming from? You said there is no fiber in soy chunks.
I don't know. I really thought it's full of protein. I didn't think.
That is why I'm trying to explain to you. Soy chunk is coming from where? Which is
soy
bean. Soybean is a plant or an animal?
Plant.
Plant is always.
அதுக்கு நீ இப்படியா? Soybean plant or animal. என்ன zoologyக்கும் botanyக்கும் எனக்கு வித்தியாசம் தெரியும். I'm a science student. Actually, I was a potential doctor, okay? I was supposed to be a dermatologist.
Oh, now I know why she's spending 1 hour every night.
But I didn't have much liking. I didn't want to study long hours, so. இல்ல வந்துச்சு. எனக்கு பிடிக்கல.
உனக்கு பிடிக்கல?
எனக்கு பிடிக்கல.
Who will study doctor? டாக்டர் மாப்பிள்ளை கல்யாணம் பண்ணிட்டேன்.
அதுவும் ஆசைப்பட்டு பண்ணல. It so happened.
Cut this part alone. Let's get it this. Okay, now it's open பண்ணு.
So now it's ready. I flipped it back. You have to flip it both sides. Dosa மாதிரியே ஒரு side கிடையாது. Both sides.
Okay.
So
Can I do now?
எங்க உடைச்சிராதீங்க. I put my heart and soul into getting it ready.
No.
It's better I do it. Already உடைஞ்சிருச்சு. See, this is a amoeba மாதிரி ஆயிடுச்சு. But usually adai வந்து coriander chutney or coconut chutney or any kind of coconut based chutneys will go well with it. இல்லாட்டி வந்து உங்களை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் pre-made yogurt வச்சு கூட சாப்பிடலாம்.
Yeah, yogurt will be very good, especially if you can avoid coconut chutney because coconut chutney is also high in calories, right?
Yeah, but it's good for your
yeah, it's good fat.
So but you're not watching your weight, you're in weight gain or muscle building phase, it's okay, I think.
After my first marriage anniversary, it's the first time we're eating.
No. I'm testing whether it's good. If it's good, then I will eat. If not, then I will skip.
நல்லா இருக்கா? சூப்பரா இருக்கு. It's very nice.
இருக்கணும். நல்லா இருக்கணும். நான் ராணி.
ஆனா I think maybe oil is a little bit too much.
No, it's not. It's only, it looks like that because it looks fried. Now,
but if you can actually decrease, I mean, we only had half a teaspoon of oil. Even if you do like 1/4 of the oil, then I think it's low calorie, high protein, high fiber dish. And if you have like 2 to 3 servings, 30 grams of protein and 10 grams of fiber with a relatively low calorie, is a wonderful fulfill. Okay, you tell me. Okay, you tell me whether you will be doing this dish in the comment section.
It's not because I made it, but it's really good. I cannot feel the flavor of soya chunks in it. It feels like and this chutney, like tomato chutney, is very good.
So I'm going to summarize this video today. One is soya chunks is a good source of protein, number 1. Number 2, Bengal gram, good source of fiber, good source of protein. Okay, so if you want 30 grams of protein and 10 grams of fiber, this is a recipe that you can do. Just add a lots of veggies. Remember the rainbow diet, feeding your variety of gut bacteria. So let me know in the comment section in terms of what you learned in this video, right?
Yeah, it was very tasty.
நான் எவ்வளவு கஷ்டப்பட்டு பேசிக்கிட்டு இருக்கேன்.
So can I finish this half after you finish the video?
No, you carry on. Carry on. And then you guys let me know and then I will see you in the next video. Of course, along with her. Yeah.